Hi, I'm Samantha Shan and I'm one of the directors of the Occupational Therapy Service. We provide lots of different services to companies around equipment, about training, direct to local authorities, direct to case managers and direct to people that need occupational therapy services as well.
We make sure that the right associate is paired with the right referral so that they have the right skill mix.
It's a one-stop shop really for OTs and from all different walks of the profession, whether that be from case managers through to NHS departments. So it's a really great opportunity to get that all under one roof really and get their product out to people.
The OT service really supports Standard. So what they do is they give us an incredibly deep, detailed and insightful view of actually what our customers are really looking for. I think a lot of companies underestimate really how much detail you need to go into to truly understand your customers' needs, and companies like the OT service can really support that.
The Occupational Therapy Service love working with Abacus. We love the difference that we've been able to make. We love how we're able to engage other occupational therapists in that, and we genuinely think that the work that we've collaborated with Abacus has made a difference to how occupational therapists think.
The Occupational Therapy Service has helped us in lots and different ways, and they're a very client-centric, focused company, and that's what we need because our focus is always on the bather at heart. So yeah, they're a great partner to work with.
Being in the industry for 26 years, you've got a certain knowledge, but they just bring much more theoretical background and actual OT expert evidence into the conversations, and we've been delighted to have Lynette on the stand.
Yeah, it's very easy being on stand to then have those links with the OTs and to really connect with them and understand what they're wanting to get. The reps can provide that knowledge of the equipment, but I can add that extra bit, that extra in-depth feeling about what OT is and how actually the equipment can support with the OT theory behind it.
The clinical support that the OT service provides us allows us to get maximum value for OTs, and having that cachet and that credibility that they bring to our brand really elevates the whole process for us.
The Occupational Therapy Service have a long-standing relationship with Repose and we really value it. I think it's great to work with a company that listens to us, takes that on board and actually makes changes on the basis of that. So this isn't just about product, it's about how can we maximise your outcomes. It upskills members of staff in providing content, clinical content. Repose have shown that they understand and value occupational therapy, and that really is important to us.
I think a lot of it is also, with the particular company I'm working with today, at the moment it's quite an unknown product, and so it's getting that out to the knowledge of OTs out there really, because ultimately patients, clients will really benefit from it, and it can be the smallest of adaptations, but actually it can be life-changing for many people.
They're the best in the industry. It's just as simple as that, their knowledge and experience that they have. And it's not just one person in the OT service, there's a range of OTs across, so it's getting a breadth of that opinion. So yeah, highly recommend working with the OT service.
The therapists feel it's a family supportive. They love how they ring up, they know they can speak to someone and we actually know who they are, and we can chat to them about what's happening in their life because we know them. I think that's good.
And I've then been put on stand to support Wing Care for the clinical side, adding the OT perspective on the equipment. It's so supportive, it feels like everyone's there for each other, whether it's an associate or a director or the admin team, like everyone is just, there's a family feel about a professional team.
Working for the Occupational Therapy Service has allowed me to reignite my passion for occupational therapy. I believe that the Occupational Therapy Service has a really brilliant grounding of morals and ethics. We are invested in supporting the individual to reach their potential and be the best version of them.
We're not particularly trying to grow and be the biggest. What we're trying to do is provide a quality service to everybody that we work with. That means the people that we provide occupational therapy to, the clients and the customers, and also our consultancy partners as well. So we just need to do more of the same and raise the profile of occupational therapy in everything we do.
Everybody at the Occupational Therapy Service is very, very passionate about occupational therapy. It's not just our passion though, it's our expertise. We have years and years of working within occupational therapy, and we just want to work with you to create a better tomorrow for everyone.